What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop sharing photos and videos between devices using the same Apple ID. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Apps section and tap on Photos. Once you're in the Photo settings, look for the option labeled iCloud Photos. If this option is turned on, it automatically uploads and syncs all of your photos and videos across every device signed in with the same Apple ID. To stop this, simply toggle iCloud Photos off. When you toggle it off, a pop-up will appear giving you two options. You can either select Remove from iPhone, which will delete the photos from your iPhone while keeping them in iCloud, or choose Download Photos and Videos, which will download all the photos and videos stored in iCloud onto your iPhone and stop syncing them on other devices. Select the option that works best for your needs. Next, scroll down within the photo settings to find the Shared Albums option. If Shared Albums is enabled, any photos or videos in these shared albums can be accessed across devices by others who have access to those albums. Toggle this option off to ensure that shared albums are no longer syncing or visible on other devices. After making these changes, your photos and videos will remain on your iPhone and will no longer sync to other devices using the same Apple ID. This is especially useful if you have family members or shared devices where you don't want your personal photos to appear. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.